I just want to show you some of the things we're going to be using in this arroz with crab or rice with crab meat. We're going to use some garlic. I have a half a jar of olives, so I'm going to use that. About 2 tablespoons of salsa tomate, sofrito. If you don't have homemade sofrito, then you can get store-bought. This is homemade. I just stuck it in this garlic container. Some garlic paste from ShopRite on sale for $9.99, a 16-ounce can of the chicken of the sea premium crab. So we're gonna see how this tastes. Entonces we're gonna use sazon and medium grain rice, so you can use long grain rice. It's up to you. We're gonna oil the pan un poquito with oil, so you can use regular oil, canola, olive oil, lo que sea, whatever you want. Hey guys, so this is what the inside of the can looks like. It doesn't look bad.
Bueno, mira, cuando te estoy mirando bonita, cuando estás bailando mi cha-cha-cha, ay, qué rica está.
A tablespoon of garlic.
Sabroso. Bueno, oye, nena, estamos aquí guarachando. Por eso mira, vente a bailar. Baila mi rico, cha-cha-cha. Ay, cha-cha-cha. Ay, baila.
Guys, when you guys are making this, keep the stove at a medium to high heat. Don't have it on high heat.
Siempre andaba buscando el amor de mi vida. Siempre se acaba y se me rompe el corazón. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo. Pero tenerte a mi lado pa' mí es una razón. Préndete como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me miras, mami, quiero estar comiéndote. Como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote.
I drained my olives. I'm going to sprinkle about a tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the seafood seasoning. About a half a tablespoon. And I'm going to sprinkle some adobo, about a tablespoon. It tastes delicious. Doesn't need nothing else. I turn my stove down. And you don't have to do this. I'm just gonna cover it with platano leaves, plantain leaves. Okay guys, so remember, low to medium heat, cover it and set your timer for 40 to 45 minutes, okay? Do not uncover it until that time is up. A little bit of oil to your pan. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon of garlic. So I'm going to be using navy beans, habichuela blanca. I drained the water. Okay, I'm going to add 1 sazon and 1 chicken bouillon. Chicken bouillon, low sodium. Now sprinkle garlic powder to your liking. Cup of water. Alright guys, my beans have come to a boil and we're going to add calabaza. Calabaza is pumpkin. Some of it still got seeds in it. Try to gut it out. It's the best size. I try to get most of the seeds out. You don't want to add the pumpkin. If it's not your jam, then just add potatoes or any other vegetables that you may feel comfortable in your beans. Okay, and oh, I need a bay leaf. And now at this point, I want you to give it a taste and make sure that, let me get that pumpkin seed out of there. The taste is to your liking. All right, and I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves. And I am going to cover it, and we're going to allow this to cook for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And salt to it, and then that's it. All right guys, so we're going to allow this to cook for 20 to 25 minutes on medium to high heat. I'm going to make tilapia. Alexa, stop the timer. And I'm going to try the seasoning for the very first time. Alright guys, all I did was empty the packet, not empty. I poured some of the packet in this dish. Then I just put the tilapia in it. I didn't use any other seasoning on it. So let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, so I broke up the calabaza, the pumpkin, up a little, but there's still chunks here, if you can see. They taste so good. Nice and thick. Alright, let me make everybody's plate.
Los dos en la pista, esto se puso feo. Duro, 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 pam, pam. La jeva le gusta lo malo, lo underground. Yeah. Duro, 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 pam, pam. Seguro lo que es al que siempre me around. Duro, 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 pam, pam. La jeva le gusta lo malo, lo underground. Yeah. Duro, 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 pam, pam. Siempre estamos a la altura, pero perreamos.